When it comes to installing new hardwood floors in your home, there's a lot to consider, and it can be so overwhelming. Not only are there so many types of flooring to choose from, but you also need to decide who to purchase from and who you'll have install it. Not all wood floors are alike, so let Urban Design Floors guide you toward the perfect flooring that fits not only your lifestyle, but your budget as well. It all begins with premium quality, engineered flooring. From your first visit to our showroom, you'll see the difference. Our years of experience speaks for itself. We provide a streamlined and transparent installation process that ensures you're getting the right product to fit your lifestyle. Urban Design Floors takes great pride in including you in each step of the installation process. After all, it's your floor. We also make sure to educate you about the features and the care that go into your beautiful new floor. We're always on the cutting edge of hardwood installation practices. We care so much about our processes that we're certified by the National Wood Flooring Association. We even host our own local events for homeowners to learn more about our services and products. Using only the best quality and materials, we've built a portfolio that's resulted in endless happy customers with 5-star reviews. And to ensure your confidence, we also provide a 3-year warranty on all of our services. We can accommodate even the most demanding and custom projects with premium quality engineered flooring. So when it's time for your new flooring project, the decision is easy. Trust Urban Design Floors. We'll provide you with such a beautiful product that you'll be anxious to show it off. Call Urban Design Floors today and make your dream flooring project a reality.